Hi cake friends, welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to pipe a buttercream flour cake. So we're just going to really just pipe with buttercream all over our cake today, and it's one of my favorite techniques, and I'll show you guys how easy and fun it is to do. To start out, we have to stack and fill our cake. I have a video of how to do this and I will link it right above for you guys. The fun thing about making a piped buttercream cake is you don't have to frost it to be perfect because you're going to be covering it with buttercream. So it's just all in the practice, and I love that. To start out making our buttercream flour cake, we are going to do rosettes, and I'm using my 1M tip. I'm going to start piping the rosettes, and I'll start at the bottom and just kind of work my way up to the top of the cake and around. Then I'm going to use my 4B tip, and we're going to do the same motion, just kind of the rosettes, but with the 4B tip, and we're going to do the same thing, just kind of pipe all the way up the cake. Then I'm going to use my 21 tip, and I'm just going to start piping the same motion, the same circle motions, and also you can see I'm using it to just do some dollops as well. That's the beauty about these tips. They are so versatile, you can use them to do so many different piping techniques. Then I'm going to come in with my 18 tip. Once you get like a lot of the rosettes and the swirls on the cake, you want to fill in at the end with just dollops of buttercream, and you get the smaller tip. It just kind of finishes off the cake, fills in all those tiny little spaces that you couldn't get with the bigger tips. I used my 18 tip twice here with my red and my pink frosting. This kind of cake is a really easy, fun way to just practice piping on the cake because there's really not a right or wrong way. You just kind of start piping and just filling in all over the cake. And I kind of just made it kind of go up and around the top of the cake. And it's fun, but there's no, pattern or anything I'm following. I'm just kind of winging it. That's the beauty about cake making. Just kind of go for it, guys. And there you have it, a piped buttercream flour cake. We also have to cut into it because it's a pink cake and I love it, you guys. I hope you guys love it too. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.